Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the UGREEN 100W DigiNest Pro 3C1A. It does 100 watts, and that comes from this USB-C 1 port. This does 22.5. This is 22.5. And then this one also can do 100 watts maximum. So 100 watts out of each of these and 22.5 out of either of these. And then you have the power button, so that means it's on. We're going to go ahead and plug in this USB-C cord from Fuse Chicken into this one. We're going to plug it into the iPhone, and then it will start charging right away. Let's get that plugged in. There we go. There it is. Start charging right there. We also have the UGREEN T3 HiTune Earbuds. These are very nice. You've seen these in a previous video, but these charge via USB-C as well. So you just use a USB-C to USB-C cable to plug in there. Here's some more details about the charger. You go ahead and pause this anytime and take a look. I'll have all the details in the description below. What's also cool about this charger, has an on and off button right here. It has a plug-in on top, and then two more plugs on the back. So you can have this on the desk, like that, and it has a long cord that you can plug in to the wall right there. So a couple cool devices from UGREEN, but we really like the 100W DigiNest Pro 3C1A. You can get that now from UGREEN. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.